Don't speak on my behalf. Don't speak on my behalf. Don't speak on my behalf. Or we can say, do not speak on my behalf. Do not speak on my behalf. I have met him on several occasions. 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 I can understand you perfectly. 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 I have a little fever today. 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 I want to send this package to my aunt. I want to send this package to my aunt. I want to send this package to my aunt. I want to send this package to my aunt. I want to send this package to my aunt. See if the gas is turned off. 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 The table is reserved. 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 There is nothing missing. There is nothing missing. There is nothing missing. There is nothing missing. I saw a cat run after the dog. I saw a cat run after the dog. I saw a cat running after the dog. I saw a cat running after the dog. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. Is everything clear? Is everything clear? Is everything clear? You may go there. You may go there. You may go there. You may go there. Your dog always barks at night. 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 He comes from New York yesterday. 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 Those books are mine. Those books are mine. Those books are mine. Those books are mine. You and I, we will never agree. 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 The cat walked across the street. 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 The cat walks across the street. When will it be convenient for you? 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 It's not suitable to me. 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 The knife is not sharp. The knife is not sharp. The knife is not sharp. I am in the best shape of my life. I am in the best shape of my life. I am in the best shape of my life. I am in the best shape of my life. When was it built? When was it built? When was it built? When was it built? You didn't answer to my question. You didn't answer to my question. You didn't answer to my question. Or we can say, you did not answer to my question. You did not answer to my question. I want answers, not excuses. 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 Can you come for dinner tonight? 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 Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Or we can say, do not be greedy. Do not be greedy. Do you know when they will come? 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 What is your address? What is your address? What is your address? What is your address? All students have access to the library. 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 I have a bill to pay. I have a bill to pay. I have a bill to pay. I have a fine 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 to pay. I barely pay my rent. 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 Hard luck. Hard luck. Hard luck. Hard luck. Don't spill the beans. Don't spill the beans. Don't spill the beans. Don't spill the beans. Or we can say, do not spill the beans. Do not spill the beans. I want more of this. I want more of this. I want more of this. I want more of this.